Yeah, it's a great bit of kit. I've used it recently for a concrete pad. Really quick, efficient, and yeah, it made a really good mix of concrete and got it in straight away.
Yeah, it seemed to be working well, fast. Seems to be straightforward to use and easy.
I see it as really good for flagging and any walling jobs I'm going to come up with. I think it's going to save me time calling in the morning, get it on flatbed. It's going to save me getting the mixer out, cleaning up, making a mess at the client's house. It's just going to be really efficient for me, I think.
I've just come from some mortar mix. It's brilliant, quick and easy. It's local, so it's easy to get to. All you do is just walk in, ask for your mix. They print out a ticket for you, then come down and then straight in, tub and away. You just ask for what you get and you get it.